In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order quality shirts on 1688 app in 2025, step by step. First, nail the search. Skip generic terms like shirt and use precise Chinese keywords that manufacturers actually use. For t-shirts, try TXU Pi Fa. For polo shirts, Polo Shan Gonghan. For oversized tees, Quan Song Tixu. For cotton, Chun Mian Tachu. For heavyweight styles, Zhongbang Tashu. If you need custom work, TXU Dingju or OEM. Add Gonghan or Pifa to your search to surface factories instead of middlemen. If you're not fluent, copy and paste these terms directly or use a translator to verify meanings. Once you see the results, apply the right filters. Tap Shaishuan, enable Yuantou Gongchan, which means source factory, and Shili Shangjia, which flags verified sellers. Then sort by Chengjiao Liang or sales volume. This combination pushes reliable, higher output suppliers to the top and often gets you better fabric and pricing. Open promising stores and check credibility carefully. Look for more than 3 years in operation, a diamond or crown rating, strong transaction numbers, real buyer photos, and thorough product descriptions. Be cautious if the store is new and the price looks too good to be true. Next, read the fabric details like a pro. Key terms include Chun Mian for 100% cotton, Jingshu Mian for combed cotton, which is smoother and stronger, Zhongbang for heavyweight, Keizhong or GSM for fabric weight, Shuangsha for double yarn, and Buto for not see-through. As a guideline, 180 to 200 GSM is a solid everyday weight, while 220 to 260 GSM feels premium and substantial. Sizing is different on 1688, so go to Chima Biao and compare measurements in centimeters. Don't rely on S, M, or L alone. Asian sizing tends to run smaller, so measure a shirt you already love and match chest, length, and shoulder measurements. Now scrutinize real media. You want close-ups of fabric texture, stitching quality, collar and sleeves, print or embroidery details, and warehouse or production shots. If you only see polished stock images, move on. Before you buy, chat with the seller. Confirm whether the fabric is 100% cotton, ask for the GSM or weight, whether it will shrink after washing, if the print is screen print or DTG, and request recent real photos or video. Save screenshots of all answers. Order a sample first, buy 1 or 2 pieces, pay using Alipay's escrow, and ship to your China warehouse or agent. Inspect fabric thickness, stitching, print quality, and sizing accuracy before committing to bulk. Finally, pay safely with Zifu Bao. Never transact outside 1688. And don't confirm receipt until you or your agent has inspected the goods. Follow these steps and you'll consistently land quality shirts at great prices.